So today we're going to talk a little bit about the 5 C's to having a personal brand that is not only effective, but resonates with you and with your audience. And if you know me or you've been following me around for some time, you know I sometimes like a little silly. So since we're just a few days away from Christmas, I thought I'd wear my Christmas glasses. This aligns with me as a human being because I'm just silly sometimes and I love to have fun. So we don't always have to be so serious in our business, right? All right. If you're brand new to the page or over on LinkedIn or my personal profile on FB, welcome. My name is Gina Tassinelli. I'm the owner and founder of Hype Media and Stylishly Branded. We are a social media marketing agency working with established thought leaders, experts, small business owners to help you ignite your influence on social media in a way that aligns not only with you, but also with your audience so that you can make real, authentic connections and make more money, serve more clients, make a bigger impact. And so one of the foundational steps in doing so that I have found, not just in my own experience, because I missed the boat when I started my businesses a little over 14 years, almost 15 years technically, was building my own personal brand. And so I want to share with you 5 C's to building a personal brand that is not just efficient, right? It doesn't feel like it's over consuming your life. And it really shouldn't, because you are the personal brand. So everything that you are putting out there when you are tying yourself as a human being, as the leader of your business into your business is already a part of you. It's just a matter of refining it and packaging it in a way that makes sense to your audience so that they feel like they are getting to know you, they are speaking to a human, they're creating a relationship with an actual human being, not just with a logo or product, right? People want to buy from people. And I'm sure that you've heard that over and over again, but it's becoming more real as the years go on and as we are living in this digital and virtual space. It's how you can really stand out from the clutter. And so it's not anymore about the career title that you have. That doesn't matter to people anymore. What matters is being able to allow people to learn not just about your business, but learn about you on a human level so that they can really start to recognize what your business is about and how you can actually help them. It's that emotional tie, that feeling that people get when they are coming in contact with your business. Okay, so if you're watching this on the replay, which, well, this is recorded, so it's already considered a replay, but I will come back and I will answer any questions or comments. So please do not be shy. Make sure to drop them down below. So let's talk about number one. Number one is being competent. And what I mean by that is having the ability to get your clients from point A to point B and having a passion to do that. So not just thinking about the money that you're going to make, right? Because honestly, none of that matters if you don't have repeat clients, if they don't keep working with you, if they're not satisfied. And so if you're in business, you're in it for the long run. Most of us are, right? I can't tell you how many people over the years I see come and go. And many of us look up to them, we follow them, we compare ourselves to them. But here's what we forget is that a lot of that is just for show. And they may not have the competence, right? And so having competence and doing it in a way that is serving others, and you are putting people first before profit. And so having a passion for the results that you bring to people and being accountable for your work is having competence. Number 2 is connection. There are so many ways now more than ever to connect with people, especially online. We can reach the world, the entire world. And so making sure that you are connecting with people on a more human level, not spamming people's DMs, but actually reaching out. If you want to reach out to somebody that you've never spoken to before, maybe you've never officially connected with them, maybe you just friended each because you know some of the same people, you were in a networking group together, something like that. Reach out to them with a real, authentic, genuine connection. Find something that's an icebreaker and connect with them. And so that's number two. Number three is having courage to show up, having courage to take risks, having courage to start conversations, to make those reach outs, to get on video. If we don't step out of our comfort zone and if we keep doing the same things that we've been doing over and over again, hoping for a different result, that's just not going to happen. What changes all of that is actually having courage to step out of your comfort zone and to have courageous behavior and having difficult conversations in business and in life. And specifically with what we're talking about is really in showing up in your business. Number four is your character. So what I mean by this is, what are your values, right? Are you transparent about your processes? Are you trying to finagle the numbers and not being transparent? So show your true character, and hopefully that character is one that people can look up to, that they admire, and that they respect. There's more to showing up as a personal brand and just showing up as a business owner than being liked, right? We want to be respected, and having that character that people value and can really look up to is really important, both with your clients, but also with your team members and with your peers around you. And then the last one, number five, is your credibility. So first impressions are everything, and reputations are earned. They're not just given, right? It's very easy to get distracted with all of the noise on social media, especially, and to compare ourselves and trying to do things like others. No, stand by what you believe in. That increases your credibility. Show up as an expert. Don't spam people. Provide value and build that credibility. And so the bottom line to all of this is that human beings are constantly judging others, right? Whether you want them to or not. So what you have control of is how you package yourself, how you show up to the world, how you show up as a personal brand with these 5 C's. And so a quick little recap. So 5 C's to really building a personal brand that is efficient and that determines your credibility, your expertise in a sense. Okay. So number 1 is your competence. Number 2 is having that connection with your ideal client. Number 3 is having courage to step out of your comfort zone and actually show up like somebody who is a leader. Be the leader. So it's more than just doing, it's actually being. Number 4 is character, providing value, being transparent, being honest, all those positive characteristics that people really value and they look up to. And number 5 is credibility, making sure that you are credible, that you are not just talking the talk, but you are actually walking the talk. All right. So I look forward to seeing you next week, same time, same place, 12 p.m. Thursday. And I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Take care.